This is Turtle Wax wet and black tyre dressing. The question is it any good?
That's right, today we're going to be putting Turtle Wax's tyre dressing to the test to see if it really is worth spending your hard-earned money on.
To do that, we're going to be testing it against three main categories: price, usability, and performance. We'll then add up each individual score for a maximum score of 30. Right, let's get started.
First up is usability. This is all about how easy the product is to use. As with all my tests, I'll be following the instructions exactly as implied on the product. After suitably preparing the tyres for the dressing, I sprayed a healthy amount of the tyre dressing, leaving it to dry naturally. The ergonomic design of the bottle made it very easy to use, and the spray application made it extremely fast to apply. However, this isn't without its downsides. With it being a spray application, I often found myself cleaning up overspray from the wheels and the bodywork, which slowed down the efficiency somewhat. So for usability, I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10.
Next up, performance. How it looks and how long it lasts.
Being a gloss tyre dressing, we're looking for high shine and even coverage. It was pretty obvious from the get-go that Turtle Wax's tyre dressing leaves an excellent high gloss finish. Some streaking was noticeable during the initial dressing, but this faded over time. But the next question is, how long does it last? Well, to find that out, we need to come back a week later. After a week of daily driving, some elements of the tyre dressing remain. Granted, it's nowhere near as prevalent as it once was, but overall I'd say it did okay in its week-long test. So for performance, I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10.
And finally, the price. How it compares to others and how it compares in relation to its usability and its performance.
Coming in at just $6.99 for a 500ml bottle, this tyre dressing is at the low end of the price scale. Many other tyre dressings in the market come in at a far higher price. The only cost negative I found was because of the inherent nature of spray applications. You naturally end up using a lot more product compared to when using it with an applicator pad or microfiber towel. Overall though, with its respectable score in usability and performance, combined with its low price, I'm going to have to give it an 8 out of 10. So it's now time to see how Turtle Wax's tyre dressing did in what I'm calling Luke's detailed score. Turtle Wax's wet and black tyre dressing achieved a very respectable 21 out of 30. Its remarkably low price and overall performance in these tests makes it a real contender in the tyre dressing market. I do admit that the main issue, that being the spray application, could have been avoided with a tyre applicator of some sort. However, I believe it is correct to test it exactly as the manufacturer intended, hence the slightly lower scores overall. So what do you think? Do you agree? Or is there a tyre dressing out there that outshines this one? Let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to test it out. As always, if you're interested in this product, I've left a link in the description below if you want to try it out for yourself.
Anyways, my name is Luke and I want to thank all of you guys for watching. Click up here to subscribe and click down here if you want to watch me give this car a much needed clean. Go on, give it a click.